Good evening, friends. This is version 17, and I'm going to show you a very good feature which is coming in version 17. Like you can upload a document, and on the action, you can create an expense directly from your document. So let's check that out with the feature immediately. I'm just opening up one of the bill over here, and then the bill mention is this, and then I'm just clicking on create expense. So it is expense is being digitalized. You can see a note, and let's wait as it is showing AI related, OCR is going on. It may take 5 seconds or more. So let's give system a time, and then how it reads out the information. And meanwhile, you can see the file name will be over here as a description, and it will register expense date at today's date, and then all other information. So yep, let's see how it reacts. So I think it's more than 5 seconds. I'm going to refresh it. It is still taking more time. So it is an entire digital copy of a receipt which I'm trying to attach here. So guys, I'm just waiting as you also. I would like to refresh it again. And here we go. It is automatically fetched this 1531 rupees, which is the ground total over here, 1531 rupees. So hope this feature will help a lot in version 17, and I think we can see a more crispy version of it, a more speedy version of it. Thank you.